Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. If you are interested in how I created this look, then please keep watching. Okay, here's where we're starting off. Liam's beard is very big and out of shape. So hopefully we can accomplish today a shape for Liam so he can look a lot better. Right here I'm just sectioning off the top of the beard where where it's going to rest over his lips, and I'm going to attempt to shape that separately. As soon as I can get a rubber band to kind of like tie the rest of the hair so I don't cut into it. Alright, you can see I'm using the bottom of his lip in order to use it as a guideline of where I want the layers to begin. Right here I'm going in with the clippers. I'm going to go ahead and try to skim off the sides and try to make the sides even right quick. I wasn't sure where to start off, but I definitely wanted the sides to be equal on both ends, so that's what I'm attempting to do. I know you can't hardly see the other side, but I need to be able to see the length on either end, so that's what I'm doing here. Wasn't exactly sure how to cut a beard, so I actually took out a brush. I'm not even sure if that's the right way to do this, but I felt like I need to pull out the hairs that are hiding because the hair is curly, and that's what I did here. Okay, I'm gonna take out my scissors and try to make a nice, clean, even line. So, I'm not sure if I say scissors, but I'm taking my comb and trying to establish a perimeter. So that's what I'm doing here. And it has a lot of like little strays all over the place, and so actually the hair gets caught up in the beard, and then you have to shake it out because you don't want to cut into the beard, and that's not really the hair that's there, and end up making a gap in the beard. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so I felt a little bit uncomfortable using the clippers, so I'm going in with the shears to kind of like trim it and give it a nice little shape. Yeah, so just try to get all those little strays off the ends and try to give them a nice rounded shape is what I was trying to go for here. And I'm still checking either side to make sure it's nice and even before I just go ahead and chop it up. Right now I'm going to turn this head in profile because it's kind of hard to visualize your shape unless you look at it in all different directions. So I turned his head sideways because I couldn't see, looking straight on, how the shape was coming along. So yeah, I just turned him in profile, and that's what I'm doing here. Okay, I'm finally satisfied with the overall look. I'm gonna release the upper beard, and I'm gonna blend it in with the bottom half because it's a little bit longer because it wasn't as layered. And next I'm gonna have to go back down into the perimeter and catch any of those strays because a lot of the hair got caught up in there, and I just want to make it nice and even. Okay, now that I'm finished cutting Liam's beard, I'm going to go ahead and wet it up and encourage curl. And I'll use my my paddle brush in order to try to get it nice and moist throughout so it's evenly dispersed. The water is evenly dispersed. Now that I've cut Liam's beard, it makes me think the Yolanda mannequin might be useful for something. I was thinking I can make an afro out of her hair and do a trim on that for practice. Well, here are the finished results. I hope you like them. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.